Hi everyone. So my name is Japni Sasdeva and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss the top 5 resources that we discussed in my previous video. For those resources, I'll be mentioning some YouTube channels or free resources specifically that you can use to enhance your skill set. And obviously, if you use the resources and completely follow the tutorials with the practical implementation, then I can guarantee you that you can get a job with a CTC greater than 12 LPA, because this is specifically for functional test automation. I'm not including any other type of automation into this. This is only for functional test automation. And if you grab the skill set that is being mentioned in the video tutorials that I'm mentioning, if you grab it and implement it in a practical way and showcase that practical implementation in interviews, then obviously nobody can stop you to crack interviews as well as get the jobs with CTC greater than 12 LPA. So let's just quickly start with the resources that I want to showcase. And I'm just quickly sharing my screen because I'm using the Zoom meeting to record this session. I'm not recording it through my phone. So the video quality might be a little low because Zoom tries to suppress the video quality. So bear with me. And apart from this, I'll be sharing my screen and we'll be quickly going through the video links that we need to follow. So just give me a second. Yeah. So I hope the screen is visible now. So this is the complete list that I have created. So starting from the Java, Java is the number one programming language that you need to know and understand for getting a job in IT industry, specifically in India. And a lot of organizations are hiring test automation engineers, and a lot of organizations are expect you to know and understand Java. Apart from this, if you have the skill set in Python, JavaScript, or any other programming language, that is a plus point. But to get a job, to get a short job, specifically, I'm saying this, you need to understand Java. So this particular tutorial is in Hindi language. If you want to learn Java in Hindi, particularly like Hindi language, so you can follow this. This channel name is Code with Harry. I'll be sharing this all the video or tutorial links in my description section, so you can follow that. So I followed this particular tutorial completely till the end. So it has around 113 videos. So I've followed all the videos, and whatever things that have been mentioned in this video tutorials, you if you implement it in a practical way, that I can assure you that you will be getting a job as a Java programming engineer. I am guaranteeing you. So if you implement it in a practical way, don't just learn things in theoretical way. Apart from this, if you want to learn in English language, then you can use this Telesco YouTube channel. This is the latest tutorial uploaded in like around 6 months ago. Yeah, so this is very good. And I've also followed this tutorial because when I was giving my interviews like 3 months back, so I wanted to brush up my skills. So I have followed this particular video, and it's around 12.5 hours, and it's very good to follow, and a lot of things are being mentioned, and it's very fast paced, so you will not get bored, as well as you will try to implement things in a practical way, so it will also enhance your skills. Moving forward, then we have Selenium. So in Selenium, obviously, you need to learn it because it's a functional test automation library. Apart from this, you can also learn Playwright, you can learn Cypress, and a lot of other tools are there. But my number one pick will be Selenium. Why? Because Selenium has the most market, like most higher number of jobs, and obviously the number of jobs are higher, so you will be getting jobs very quickly. So it's not only about the recession period as I'm mentioning, the jobs are less. Obviously, when the market gets okay, and like after 6 months, market will be back. So if you have the skill set which I'm mentioning, so that particular skill will help you to get a job. If you have the Selenium skill set and Java skill set with you, then nobody can stop you to get a job with a high CTC. So this one is with Code Studio YouTube channel, and this tutorial and the particular series is in Hindi. So if you follow this, it's very good, and all the tutorials are very informative as well as practical. So if you follow the tutorials and start coding side by side, so it will really help you to enhance your knowledge. If you want to learn it in the English language, then you can follow this QA Fox YouTube channel. I'll be mentioning the link in my description section. So all the videos are designed in such a way, like very interactive and informative. So video tutorials are very short in way. So if you see 4 minute 10 second, 57 second, then 6 minute 44 seconds. So videos are very short in length. So if you get bored by learning long videos, by watching long videos, so you can follow this particular YouTube channel, and it's very good. Apart from this, once you learn Java, once you learn Selenium, then you need to have understanding around framework. How do we create framework, and what are different approaches that you need to follow for framework creation? So number one is TDD approach, that is test driven development. Then second is BDD approach, that is behavior driven development. So TDD approach, I'll be obviously going with Naveen Automation Labs YouTube channel. So this is his YouTube channel and the playlist. It's the videos are a little bit old, but these are still relevant and these are really good to create a framework, because he tries to explain things in a practical way. Okay, so the practical, like I'll just quickly give you an example. Before creating a framework, he will try to give you a diagram. In the diagram, there will be different components that are going to be used in your framework. So if you understand a particular component creation, then obviously if you give an interview and you try to explain that you have created framework from the base level and you try to explain that particular diagram itself, then obviously nobody can stop you to get the job. Okay, so this is in TDD approach, that is using TestNG as the testing framework. Apart from this, we have Cucumber. Cucumber will be used for BDD approach. So this is the latest video. It's a mini project, so to say, a very short video. But I'll like give you this understanding that you need to first understand TDD approach, then only move forward with BDD. Don't stop or directly jump to BDD approach because it's a short video. You need to first understand the complete, like how reports are generated, how you are going to use logging mechanism, how will you use TestNG, how will you use retry logic in your programming. So all those things should be learned before moving forward BDD. Okay, so in this you can follow this particular YouTube video. This is very good. Apart from this, if you don't want to learn Cucumber, then you can move with Serenity. Serenity is also another tool that can help you to implement BDD approach. So this is YouTube channel is Mukesh Odwani. I'm also following him since very long time, like around 3-4 years ago. I've started following him. So this particular video series is very good to learn Serenity with BDD. It's very good. Apart from this, I'm just giving you a quick bonus tip. That is, bonus tip is Jenkins, and video is created by Mukesh Odwani. This particular video is very new. It's around 4 days ago, and it will really help you to get the understanding around CI/CD. At the first place, like why do we need CI/CD, and then how will you implement it in your production, like in your working organization. And apart from that, once you commit your changes in a Git account, after that, how will you trigger that build or execution of that build in Jenkins. So all those things will be explained in this video. It's really good. I have completely watched the tutorial, and it's really good to get the basic understanding around it. Also, if you want to get a pro, this will also, if you keep on watching this video till end, you will also get the professional experience around it, like the pro level thing. Apart from think the videos which I've created are informative and those are really helping you to up your mindset, then please do subscribe to the YouTube channel and also give a thumbs up to this video. It will really motivate me to create more such videos. Also, apart from this, I would like to ask you to share the videos with your friends or colleagues so that the subscriber count can be increased. Because what happens is when we are approaching to some people, like the people who are leading in the industry as of now, if we ask them to do a podcast with them, then they look at the YouTube channel, the subscriber count is very low. Obviously, it's a less because I've started recently. Apart from that, if you subscribe to the channel, then I can call them and they will get to see that whatever things that they are sharing are reaching to a lot of people, right? So then we can start doing the podcast with those people, and it will also help us to know like how to stay relevant in IT industry for like 15 years, 20 years. Because I have seen a lot of people saying this, that you cannot stay persistent in IT industry for more than 10 years or 15 years. But I have seen people who are working from like 40 years in IT industry and are still working and are still getting good packages, right? So if you want to see those videos and if you want me to create those videos, then surely share these videos, and the subscriber count will increase, and then we can start doing the podcast as well. So I think the things or resources which I mentioned in this video will really help you to enhance your knowledge. If you follow the tutorials completely till the end, I can guarantee you that nobody can stop you to get a job with a good CTC. As per the market standard, as of now, the number of jobs are very less. So I don't recommend you to do a switch as of now. Keep the learning in progress, like spend 3 to 6 months by learning whatever resources I mentioned. Don't speed up your learning. Try to learn things in a practical way, implement them. Obviously, whatever code you are doing, upload that code in your GitHub accounts and share that URL in your resume as well as on your LinkedIn accounts, so that people can follow that. People can see that you are coding, you are learning automation. Okay, so this is really good for your enhancing of skill as well as sharing your knowledge with other people. So if you want to have a counseling session with me, like a one-on-one discussion, then you can discuss with me through TopMate. The link will be in the description section. Apart from this, if you want to reach out to me or discuss something related to your career, then you can reach out to me on the LinkedIn. The link will be also in the description section. So yeah.